In this video, we will see how to track the time a visitor spends on our website built with Framework360. As we can see, we have created this very simple site for this tutorial, and we want to track when, during the navigation of our site, a visitor stays on the pages of the website for more than a certain number of seconds. If we want to perform this operation, indeed, we go inside Tracking, then we click on Web Tracking in the sidebar on the left of our environment. We open our tracking project if we have already created it, or click on Add if we want to create a new one. In this case, we already have one created, as we can see. There is the possibility to integrate Framework360 with tracking from Facebook, Google, Google Ads, Tag Manager, Twitter, Microsoft Ads, TikTok, and many other integrations. We remind you that it is not essential to use Google Tag Manager since it is already in the Goals tab. Framework360 allows us to track any type of action performed on our website and send it accordingly. Then to Facebook or Google Analytics, etc. If we want to track the time a visitor spends on the website, we simply need to activate the action. Session duration, we click on Activate, as we can see. In fact, a section will have opened at the bottom that allows us to select after how much time the visitor is on the site before the tracking is triggered. In fact, in this case, we can set, for example, 10 seconds. We can obviously choose whether the unit should be in seconds or minutes. Usually, this type of conversion action is triggered after a few seconds. As we can see, we could also give a name to our event. In this case, we can call it 10 seconds on the site, as we can see on the right. There will also be the possibility to enable third-party tracking, which allows sending the conversion action, once it has been triggered, also to advertising platforms. In fact, if we add, for example, a random pixel, we can also include this. We could also include our Facebook API access token, but for this tutorial, it is not essential. So let's go ahead and click Save. And as we can see down here, the option to send the event to our Facebook pixel has opened up, which in this case could be, for example, 10Z, meaning 10 seconds on the site. And once clicked, save and reload the page, we can notice that the Facebook pixel will work with this random pixel, which actually does not exist. However, for this tutorial, we can safely use it, and we can see that after 10 seconds, there it is. In fact, the 10S conversion action that we had set up was triggered and sent to the Facebook pixel as a conversion on the website. Additionally, here in the statistics, we can see that there is no data, but by reloading the page, the 10-second event on the site will have been triggered, which is the name of the event we gave for Framework360. As we can see, in fact, on the right, we will also have the opportunity to view who triggered this conversion event. The link where it was triggered, in this case, would be the homepage of this demo site, and also what type of device the visitor had when they triggered the conversion action. In this case, I am using Google Chrome on a desktop device.